Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a health-related logo for your clinic or dental store. So to create a healthcare logo, it's really simple, and you can design a great-looking healthcare logo in Canva within just a few minutes. So let's get started. Make sure you have created your account in Canva, and after that, you will see this interface. Go to the search bar and type healthcare. Or you can search healthcare logo, or just search for dental logo. Whatever your business is, type a similar logo name so you can find plenty of ready-made templates. You just need to modify one and you're good to go. For now, I will go with healthcare logo. And now you can see lots of options available. If you don't like any of them, go to Show More, and it will provide you with even more options. Some of these are paid, but don't worry, there are also free versions that look great. So maybe I'll go with this one since it's free and it meets my expectations. If you don't like any of them, just click Show More and explore. You're sure to find the kind of logo you want. So yeah, if I want to change the color of the logo, I'll just go to the options and switch colors like this. And maybe I will like it. Yeah, and if you want to add any shapes, go to the Element section, and here you'll find shape options. Maybe I'll choose this one, and with a bit of modification, I will move it to the back, and I will change the color of the text. In just a few minutes, I have created a professional-looking logo for my healthcare business. Similarly, you can replace logo elements as well. To do that, go to Elements and search for Healthcare, and you'll get lots of icons. If you don't like this one, just remove it and search for maybe this one. Or in a similar way, you can simply do this, and you'll get a wide variety of icons. And yeah, you can see how quickly I made a good-looking healthcare logo for you, or for my main hospital or clinic. So yeah, that's a simple way to create a healthcare logo in Canva within a few minutes. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more informative and helpful videos for you. So, I'll see you in the next video. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more informative and helpful videos for you. So, I'll see you in the next video.